Russia's Mikoyan MiG-41 sixth-generation fighter, as a replacement for the Mikoyan MiG-31, is back in the news. Reports are that Russia is pushing the boundaries of aviation engineering as it accelerates the development of the MiG-41. The plane will not just chart the higher atmosphere, but also leap towards lower space. It draws inspiration from the operationally well-established MiG-31M air dominance fighter. The MiG-31 Foxhound had a top speed of 2.83 Mach. It was equipped with a very big arsenal of weapons and guns, including 6 XR-37 long-range missiles. MiG-41 will embody all the advantages of the MiG-31 fighter interceptor jet. MiG-41 would have to be a more powerful weapon platform. Weapons would have to be carried internally. Russians say that it will introduce features not seen by the aviation world yet. Really? Time to understand the features and developmental status of the next from the Soviet-Russian arsenal. MiG-41 development status. The MiG-41 PAK-DP prospective air complex for long-range interception is the evolving Russian program to develop a stealth supersonic interceptor-cum-heavy fighter aircraft to replace the Mikoyan MiG-31 in the Russian aerospace forces in the mid-2030s. The actual platform designation will evolve around the time it is entering service. It will imbibe 6th-generation technologies and design. The design of the PAK-DP was reportedly finalized around the end of 2019. Ilya Tarasenko, the general director of the MiG Corporation, as well as the head of the Sukhoi company, said in an interview in July 2020 that the PAK-DP will be created as an advancement of the MiG-31's design. Tarasenko also said that it would be a new platform design and construction capable of Mach 4+, equipped with an anti-missile laser, and would be able to operate at very high altitudes and even in near space, flying at altitudes between the stratopore's 45 km and the tropopore's 12 km. The aircraft is also meant to borrow concepts and technologies from the MiG-31M with an advanced Zaslon-M radar. It could use a variant of the Izdalai-30 engines currently under development for the Su-57. The IMNTC Soyuz divulged some information on its website about the already developed R-579300 engine, a potential match for the Su-57, among others. The principal challenge for the MiG-41 appears to be the ongoing development of the pulse detonation engine that will power the aircraft, especially the management of the engine's wear and tear, given the exceptionally dynamic load it will handle. The PAK-DP will use stealth technology. Russia is developing an electromagnetic pulse EMP gun, a potential game-changer in aerial warfare. This innovative energy gun could expand the range of achievable targets. Russia anticipates MiG-41 with electromagnetic cannon by 2025. A less powerful version of the EMP gun could be an effective deterrent against unmanned aerial vehicles. MiG-41 might also be equipped with R-37M missiles. It could be transformed into an unmanned version later. In January 2021, Rostec Corporation, the owner of Mikoyan, announced that the PAK-DP had entered the development phase. The fact that the targeted first flight is in 2025 means a lot of work should have taken place. The design should have been frozen, and metal cutting must have been ongoing for a long time. The aircraft powering and initial engine runs should have been completed. If the timelines are realistic, then the taxi tests must begin in 2024. The actual status of Russian aircraft is difficult to predict because of the high secrecy attached to it. If the MiG-41 successfully completes its maiden flight by 2025, it's expected to be fully operational by 2030. The originally planned service introduction in 2028 seems very unrealistic. The early 2030s is what analysts are predicting now. Aircraft concept operational targets. As an interceptor, its primary mission was rumored to offset future reconnaissance aircraft currently being developed by the United States and China. According to some Russian media reports, the PAC-DP was envisioned to become an interceptor of hypersonic missiles by carrying a multifunctional long-range interceptor missile system MPKR-DP that will dispense several sub-missiles to increase the chance of intercepting hypersonic weapons. The dispenser could also contain surface strike weapons. The PAC-DP is also intended to carry anti-satellite lasers or missiles,